Listen to this answer first. Do they believe in me? Yes is 37. Then it is worth listening to them. If somebody is not even believing me, is it worth listening to them? Think upon it. Do not register their file in your mind. Do they have your interest in your heart, their heart? Now, intent will decide whether this is a criticism or whether it is a feedback. True or not? Can this person help me? 90% people will fail in this equation by the time you come to the third question. So you don't have to register 90% of the feedbacks which are coming to you. You don't have to. 20 to 30% people are the only people who are worth listening to. Now my question is, who are those 20 to 30% people? Are you aware? Is the first question. Somebody believes in you, that means they have mutual respect for you. Otherwise they won't believe you. Do they have your interest at heart? Yes. If they're really loyal to you, then they have your interest, then they'll give you genuine feedback. If these are the set of people who are around you, so first, if you have negative people, I've always told them, remove them from your life. Be connected to some positive association. There are a lot of religious associations. If you want to be in religious association, you can join there also. If you want, you can be part of PIM also. Something you can do. Our book reading club. Amazing. If you're not part of book reading club, why should you join book reading club if you're not till now? You'll be part of a positive group of 25 to 30 people. Books, when you start reading slowly, those negativity will start running away from your life.